Quick PSA for people doing rear suspension, especially for bikes with this like collar, Allen key collar. When you take it off your bike, make sure that when you put it back on your bike, you can get to it. Because I did not do that. And now I can't adjust preload or anything without pulling the shock back off the bike, because this is where I can't even like get to it. There's the Allen bolt that I'm supposed to be getting to, and I'm just like not even close. So learn from my mistake and don't do that.